Hi guys, welcome back to another content from Bezalel of Tech. This is day 15 of our 21 day Webflow daily challenge, and we're going to be working on our password protection page, which I'm going to be styling and showing you how to just give it a little style if you decide to add password to Webflow page. So for example, you come here, so you come to pages and it's always under utility pages. You can see that. So one thing you can do at first is to create a page which is just going to reflect the password whenever it gets linked. And also come here, you come to edit and ensure that it's linked to a particular page. Do you understand? But we are not working on it now. Do you get? We are not working on this now. I just want to style this page. I want to style this page and show you how to just style it. Do you understand? I'm just going to show you how we're going to style it. So let's come here and change the body to an ash color. So come to color, background color. I think this color is okay. Let me see it on here. Yeah, and yeah. So I think it's quite okay. Let's reduce the image here. You can reduce the image like this. You can see that. So push it to the center. I think I need to add some. Start looking like it's in the center. Nope. Let me reduce it a bit too. And add some margin or two. And add margin or two here. It's going to center it. Yeah. So you can see that it's centered already. It's centered already. It's in the center. So looking cool. Let's add that margin or two here too. Margin or two. Yeah, same thing here too. If it's not auto, you are not gonna, it's not going to sit at the center. So it's at the center right now, which you can see. So make sure you like and subscribe and give it a thumbs up and share with anyone in need and looking for such a video. Please keep on the notification so that you're going to receive notification for day 16. So this is day 15 of our daily challenge. Bye.